See the first question. A cube into, now if you see, for every concept I will write down what is the concept. A cube into b square minus c square, b cube into c square minus a square into b minus c. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains, answer options contains either variables or constant. Questions contain variables. Answer contains either variables or constants, or variable or constant. If you see, the degree for these answer option 4 is 1. Here it is a degree 0. Here it is a degree 2. There are 4 answer options given where the degree it is changing. So let us apply the degree method. If the answer options degrees are different, I repeat, if the answer option degrees are different, same like number system. In number system, if the digital sums are same for the more than one answer option, we will not use a digital sum. If the degree is same, then we will not use a degree method. Same language. Number system is using numerical values. Algebra is using variables. Degree method. What is the degree method? Let us see. A cube into b square. Here it is 5. Here also 5. Here also 5. 5, 5, 5. The degree in the numerator, it is 5. Degree in the numerator, it is 5. Divided by, here it is degree 3. Here it is degree 3. Degree 3, degree 3. Denominator, it is degree 3. Numerator, it is degree 5. Denominator, it is degree 3. Answer will be degree 2. Answer will be degree 2. Check it out if there is more than one answer option with degree 2. If there is more than one answer option with degree 2, then we will get into substitution method. Here it is degree 0, degree 0, degree 1. So degree 2, only one answer option is there. So therefore option A is the first option. Option A, it is the first option. Again I am repeating, please write down in your notebook. If answers degrees are different, first use a degree method. Degree, what is a degree? Degree is the highest power of a term. If there is a single variable, it is there, take the highest power. If there is more than 2 variables, take the sum of the powers. Take the sum of the powers. 3 plus 2, it is 5. Degree in the numerator 5, degree in the denominator 3. Degree 5, degree 3. Answer should be degree 2. Answer should be degree 2. So 3 options are there, right? So answer for this question is AB plus BC plus CA. Fundamental question, question number 1. I hope it is clear. Now see, again the question contains, I will write down the approach here. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. What is the first method that needs to be used? Method 1 that needs to be used is degree method. Method 1 that needs to be used is degree method. If answer options has more than 1 degree, then we will go to the substitution method. There are 3 terms are there. This is 1 term before operator, 1 term after operator, 1 term after operator. What is the degree? Highest power of a term. 3a cube b, degree 4. A into a square, degree 2. Degree 4, degree 2. So here the degree it is 2. Here the degree it is 2. Here the degree it is 2. 2, 2, 2. What will be the answer degree? Answer degree will be 2. This is a degree 0. This is a degree 1. This is a degree 3. So the answer will be AB plus BC plus AC. Answer will be degree 2. Again listen carefully. Here the degree it is 4. Denominator degree it is 2. Numerator degree 4. Denominator degree 2. Answer will be degree 2. Degree 2, degree 2, degree 2. Answer will be degree 2. So option is AB plus BC plus AC. Very, very easy question. Slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. A into B minus C whole square. What does question contains? Question contains variables. Answer contains variables or numerical values. Question contains where the degree method is used. Degree method is used when the question it is variable and the answer it is either variables or numerical values. When the answer it is either variables or numerical values. If the question contains variables, definitely degree method can be used to eliminate incorrect answer options. What is the degree? There are three terms are there. A into b minus c whole square, b square plus c square minus 2bc. So this is the degree 3. This is also degree 3. This is also degree 3. 3, 3, 3. Answer degree should be 3. Answer degree should be 3. Answer degree should be 3. Here it is degree 1, degree 0, degree 2. Answer should be degree 3. Answer should be degree 3. Answer should be degree 3. So answer for this question is A, B, C. Answer for this question is A, B, C.